welcome back to my channel. It's back to school, so I'm teaching you guys how you can turn an old jean into a backpack. So I'm just cutting the size that I want to use. This is actually a 3/4 jean because I don't really need much fabric for this tutorial, and I've not really worn this for a while because it's too small. So now I'm just going to open both sides to form the back, the shape. And one thing I love about recycling old items or old clothes is simply because sometimes this fabric and this cloth just come prepared, like almost as if you planned it. Because if you notice, the top part is a bit smaller than the down part, which is perfect. And I think any jean will look like this. Because so I just sew the side now. This is a very easy to follow tutorial, so just look at me and follow. Even though you don't hear my voice, you still know what's going on. So now I'm just going to cut out this waistband. This was going to be the strap of the bag. So I'm cutting it now. This is going to serve as the two strap because it's folded in two. So I'm going to unseam it, and this is it. Now I'm just going to attach it to the body of the bag. So check out the way I'm doing this. This is to make it more neat. I've turned it inside out. Now I'm just going to put in the strap to the very stream end, then sew like this. I did went further to reduce the size of the bag. That's why I'm cutting out the excess at both sides. Yeah, because I didn't want it to be too big. Like this bag, I think this can also serve as a weekend bag because I noticed it's very, very big. The look is deceiving. Don't get it twisted. Okay, if today is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button right now before you forget. It's very important to do that for more DIY fashion videos. So now I've turned it back out. So I'm just going to work on extending the length of this bag because I feel it's too short. So I'm going to look for a fabric to add to it, and here it is. I'm going to use the remaining fabric to add. So nothing is going to be wasted in this tutorial. I practically use every fabric I could find for this tutorial from this jean most especially. I don't like to add other things mostly when I'm doing a DIY tutorial. I don't like to get fabric from other places. I just like to work with what I have. So now I'm just going to use it to extend the length of this bag. So I'm just going to turn it inside out like this and sew it round. So easy. So this is it. The good part of this is that you can actually use this format that I've used for this jean to use any other fabric to create this, even if it's a plain jean trouser. So this trouser came in with a loophole for the buttons at the down. So you see, it's almost like everything just came prepared. So in case you don't have this on your jean, you can use your best strap, or you can actually use your excess fabric to form this band. So this is what I just use round, and then put in a strap to make a drawstring. So this is it. So simple. Now I've noticed that this down part is well shaped, so I decided to use it as the cover for the bag. Like I said, I'm just using everything I have already. I'm just using my imagination. So even if you don't have this kind of shape, you can just find something from your jean that will serve as this, or you can get something else if you want. So this one looks so perfect. Like, I love it. I'm just going to join it together, and then this is it. I made it a bit smaller because I don't want it to be wide. So this is it. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. It's so cute. So I attached it to the back of the bag. So this is how it's going to look like. See, next I'm just going to put the safety button. Is it safety button? I mean, press button. Yes, press button. So this is it. Yeah, now this is secure. I love this. So next I'm just going to attach the strap. Just take the strap to the very center of the backpack, as is the back of the bag, so that it will cross perfectly. So that's what I'm doing. And then your strap size, I use 27-inch. You can use something longer or shorter, it depends on choice. So I've sewed it down now. So I didn't want it to be plain. I wanted it to be like sparkling, something extra, because that's me. I love extras. So I just decided to draw a love shape. The love shape is the simplest shape I think you can actually draw. So that's why I used it. I had other ideas, but I feel I should just do something that anybody can do. So that's why I use the love shape. You can actually use star shape. You can use any other kind of shape, that diamond shape, any other shape you feel like. So I'm just going to get stones. I use glue. I actually use paper glue because I couldn't find my clothes glue, but it works. It's manageable, but you can actually use glue 6,000 or 3,000 or one something, the clothes glue. But I used this and it worked. It sticked. I was surprised, but it did work. So this is it. This is the final result. Oh, I actually put my initials. Yes, so you can play around with it. So thanks so much for watching. Hope this helps you to go back in school in style. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and give this video a thumbs up if you actually enjoy it. Of course, I know you do because you are here. So give it a thumbs up. So let me just give you an example of how much this can carry. In fact, this is not an example of how much it can carry. I just showing you that it's very, 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 very spacious. So this is it. Hopefully you do yours too. Bye for now. Like, share, and subscribe.